What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we have another video. I had just finished filming the makeup tutorial for this eye look. I'll leave a link in the description down below. And I'm going to talk about basically the glitters I used for this look, and also, I used 2 glitters for this look, and I'll also talk about the other glitters that came with the Halloween bundle. If you guys seen the previous video, I am promoting for Black Mage Beauty, and I'm sure you guys a Halloween bundle. Of course, they don't have it out anymore yet because Halloween's done and over. So, but they'll have a Christmas bundle. Probably, I think they might have a Christmas bundle coming out. Hopefully, it'll come. It'll be like the same amount with glitters, because this is like $20 for all of this, and it was like a really good deal. But I don't know if they're gonna do the same thing or not. What was I gonna say? Also, of course, I have a discount code, Denise_Draven. I'll have my link, my discount codes down below. I also have the other shops I am promoting for, and I'll leave the links down below as well, and my codes. So yeah, so let's dive into this now. Okay, so the bundle came with 8 glitters. I don't know if I can show y'all. Like a handful, pretty much. It came with 8 glitters. They're all Halloween themed names. So I'm gonna go over, I guess, the first 2 that I used for the day. I used Pumpkin Pie and Pumpkin Spice. Pumpkin Spice is a thicker glitter, as y'all can kind of see from there. Let me zoom in so that way y'all can see them. I guess I'll just have it zoomed in for the rest of the video, or at least for the rest of the glitters. There we go. Pumpkin Pie is kind of like a reddish orange. It's a perfect pumpkin color. And then Pumpkin Spice is right here on my left, and it's more chunkier. I used it for like crease. I don't know if y'all have seen my previous makeup tutorial, and y'all will see the chunkier glitter. It's really beautiful. These glitters are both very, very beautiful. Also, sorry about my crappy nails right now. They keep breaking, and the nail polish is just horrible. But yeah, these glitters are really, really beautiful. Next up, we have this really dark purple called Crucifix. It's really pretty. It's like a black purple, pretty much. Like, it's beautiful. It's like a deep eggplant purple. I just love it. Look at that. I do have another like lighter purple from this brand. I'll show it later. I forgot what it's called. They didn't have names on the first ones, but I'm glad they put names on this one, because I do forget names of like colors or like shades. So yeah, this one's really, really pretty. Next up is Precious Pumpkin. I was gonna use this one for today's look, but I liked Pumpkin Spice better for the look I had in my head. This one, of course, is a more chunkier glitter as well. And it's really pretty. It's like a bright orange. I like it. I think it will go great for like fall looks and stuff. So yeah. Up next is Spook. And this one's kind of like an orange, like, it looks like it has black reflex in it a little bit. It's like a more darker orange. It's really, really pretty. I like it. I haven't used it yet, and I really want to. I've used the 2 so far. I haven't gotten around to use all of them. Next is Witch's Night. This one is like a bunch of little black moons. I was thinking of like doing a look and using the glitters like individually, like them individually to my face. I don't know. I think they're really, really cute. I like them for like a witchy look. I don't know when I'll get around to doing that. This one is called Fatso Ryu, and this one is a black. I think this one has a little bat inside of it. I don't know if I can try to grab one out of there without making a mess, but it does have like black glitter. It looks like it has some orange glitter in it as well. And it has like little chunky bat glitter. Let me try to grab one out of there. Like, I see it. I don't know if it'll be captured on camera. It's upside down, but let me get out of the camera. Let me let it focus. Like, the camera wants to focus, but there we go. You see a little bat right there. It's upside down. He's so cute. There we go. I like this glitter a lot. I don't know. I kind of want to like try to like grab the bats individually and like glue them onto like my face or something. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what kind of looks I'm gonna do with that, but I have like some like in mind. But yeah, this next one's called Black Matter. It's like orange and black with like some chunky orange glitter in it. It's really, really cute. I like it. I was thinking this is like also one of the glitters I had in mind for this look too, but I kind of just wanted to use something with more oranges than black. Kind of wanted to look too Halloweenish. But yeah, nothing wrong with celebrating Halloween like all year round. But this one's really pretty too. Okay, so next in the Halloween bundle is their 2 lip scrubs. And I think they're like $15 each or $12 each. I can't remember how much they were. But I think for the price that I paid for like everything, I paid $20. Actually, it was $20 for the bundle, but I had discount code. So yeah, it came out cheaper. So it was pretty cool. So there's 2 of them. This one is Caramel Cinnamon Lip Scrub, and this one smells amazing. I think this is my favorite one. Like, I love the way this one smells. It's super good. It looks like it also has, like, sprinkles in it or something. I don't know. Like, little, like, I don't know, like Pop Rocks, kind of, sprinkles. I can't really tell, but it's really cute. It smells super good. Like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me, I don't know how to explain it, but it's caramel cinnamon, so, the lid just flew off. But it smells amazing. I think this is my favorite from the lip scrub. I also do love this one. This one's called Pumpkin Spice Lip Scrub. This one smells pretty good too. Kind of reminds me of like a peep, like an orange peep. Kinda. And it tastes pretty good as well. Like, they both taste good. Like, whenever I use them, I'll be scrubbing my lips and I'll just get like a little, like, dip my finger into the sugar and just kind of eat it while I'm scrubbing my lips. Yeah. So I get a little treat while I'm scrubbing my lips. But honestly, like, look at these jars are like pretty big, honestly, for like lip scrubs. And the price you pay is a good deal. Normally, people sell like small, like Lush, for example, like the little lip scrubs are like about like that big maybe, and they cost like $10. I mean, I do love the bubblegum lip scrub a lot. Like, I love it, but I don't want to pay $10 for that. I'm pretty sure they're more expensive now, honestly. Because last time I paid, that was like 2 or 3 years ago, and I last bought one, and it was like, I think it was like close to $10, I don't remember. But yeah, but honestly, for these, like, I think it's a really good value for these. Like, it's not that expensive, honestly. I love these. And I know she does have more out right now. She did release like a bunch of like new lip scrubs, so definitely go try to grab them for sale. Apparently they are selling out. And I kind of want to grab one, but I kind of want it for like, I kind of want to wait for the Christmas stuff to come out, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm pretty sure she will make more Christmassy flavors, but yeah, so I think they both smell good, they both taste amazing, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the 4 original glitters I bought from them. They did have like 2 pink ones, like a hot pink one and light pink, I think, originally. I don't remember. They might have it back in stock. Well, they did for a while, and I think they sold out. But these are the 4 that I purchased from them. First, let me show you guys. Let me try. They don't have names on them, so I really don't know the names. I know that this purple one right here is called Amethyst, and this other one's called Bloodbath. I don't remember the other 2 names. I have to probably, I'm pretty sure they have them on the Instagram page. Probably don't feel like looking right now, so I'm too lazy. But yeah, these are really pretty. The red is my favorite, honestly. I wore this for my eyeshadow for the Jonathan Davis concert, and it just looked amazing. I got so many compliments. Like, everyone was like, "Oh, I love your eyeshadow." Like, everyone was like in love with my makeup that night, and I was wearing this glitter like on my crease. I did like a half crease, I think. I was kind of in a rush, so yeah, and it looked beautiful there. I know I did use this for my Scream inspired look for my one of my Halloween videos. I used it for like the inner corner of my eyes, and I used Amethyst for my Beetlejuice inspired look for the inner corner of my eye. Have I used these two yet? I don't think I've used these two yet. I wasn't aware this one to Jonathan Davis concert too, but I was like, nah, I'll just do one glitter. I didn't want to do too much. I was in a hurry to get to the concert. I wanted to like, get in line, be there first, that way I can be like front row. I ended up being like second row, kinda. Nearly front row, or like kinda like squished between people, so I don't know. And this one I haven't used yet either. I need to think of a look to do with this one, honestly. I used to love doing blue eyeshadow, and it's been a while, honestly. Like, I used to love to do like I haven't really been doing makeup in a while, so I haven't really been playing with a lot of colors. And when I do makeup, it's like natural looks, or I'll just do stuff for YouTube, which is pretty rare now, so yeah. But I'll definitely be using these in the future. But I have used these 2, and I love them so much. These ones right here. So yeah, so I pretty much have, how many glitters from them? That's 8. Like 12 glitters from them? I can't do math. Probably reason why I'm always failing in math classes, but yeah. So yeah, so I pretty much have like 12 glitters from them, and I do love them all. And I cannot wait for the Christmas glitters, because I saw them releasing some really badass ones with like snowflakes in them. They're like really Christmassy, and I was like, oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, so definitely check them out, follow them on Instagram, and keep an eye out for their Christmas bundles coming out, their Christmas glitters, and I'm pretty sure they'll be releasing Christmas lip scrubs as well. And I know they are releasing eyelashes. I almost forgot about that. I'll be getting some eyelashes. And I do make my next order. I did make some sales, so I get some free. I just pick a free glitter eyelashes, so I'm pick out eyelashes because she hasn't released them yet, and she's releasing them at the end of this month, so I'm really, really excited. And I think that's the same day she'll be releasing the Christmas bundle, which is like on that 20 something. I don't remember. I don't know. By the time this video's up, it'll probably be out by now, but yeah. So I'll be doing that. I've been like waiting to order so that way I can get my free eyelashes. But yeah, I'm super excited. And these are super cute. Like I have some of those like... That was tape. Whoops. But yeah, I kind of want to like pick them all up right now and just kind of show off the camera. But I don't want to do that. I kind of want to drop any. One of these is kind of broken already. I think it kind of crushed like in the middle. I don't know. I hate postal service sometimes. I think that's pretty much it for this video for today. I just kind of talk about this brand, this new brand that I'm promoting for, and I think they're really cool. I really do love the lip scrubs. Like the lip scrubs, I think they'll become very, very popular. Honestly, like I love them so much, and the eyelashes are coming out look amazing. Like I'm super excited for them. Definitely you guys go check them out. I cannot wait for the Christmas stuff because like I really want to start filming Christmas stuff already. And I don't know, I might start filming this weekend since I'm off for Thanksgiving, so yay. But yeah, I ordered some stuff in the mail for my Christmas looks and they already came in and I'm super excited and I kind of want to show them to you guys, but I kind of don't want to give away what my future YouTube video is going to be. I kind of want to keep it a little secret, like a little surprise. I mean, I did an Instagram poll, and people that voted that told me on Instagram, or like that wrote that in the questionnaire thing, y'all probably already know what I'll be doing. So I kind of did say what I was going to be doing and what I was planning to do. So yeah, so yes, that's pretty much about it. I'm not gonna lie, the glitters can be a little messy, but most glitter is messy. Like it just, if you don't like glitter being everywhere, then probably not for you. But I kind of don't like it, but I kind of don't mind it at the same time. So it's like whatever, it'll wash off. This one honestly, like I just run it. Like if it gets on my hands, like I'll just run it underwater and it'll just come off. Yeah, glitter in general is just really messy. It's a nightmare. And word of advice, if you're gonna be doing like a glitter crease at this, put it on, like do your eyeshadow, like your eyes before doing foundation, so that way when it all falls on your face you can just get some tape and just kind of tape it off. It'll come off like that. I didn't do that today, so there's some glitter like right here, but I think there's some like on my lips, like on my cupid's bowl. But yeah. Glitter's a mess. Like I've tried, even like pressed glitters make a mess too. Like I have some pressed glitters from Glitter Injections I bought like a year or two ago, and they are pretty messy too. Like they're not as messy as loose glitter, but like some glitter will fall out, you know. So you can't win with glitter, even if it's pressed or not. But I think I've tried a glitter gel before, and it worked really well. I can't remember what brand it was, and it would not come off. Like it did not want to wash off at all. So it stayed on. There was no fallout. But the only problem was it didn't want to come off. So it's like you can't win ever with glitter. I mean, it's cool that it didn't come off, but when it's time to come off, it does not want to come off. So yeah, yeah. So I think that was just my little word of advice about glitter, and that's just messy, and you gotta be prepared mentally prepared. Like before you do a look with glitter, you gotta kind of mentally prepare yourself for the mess that's about to come. So yeah. So that's about it for today's video. Just want to talk about this new brand. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me if you have tried them out yet, or if you're planning to try them out in the future. Be sure to use my code Denise_Draven. I'll leave my links down below and my codes down below in the description box. And that's about it. Also, if you guys do recreate any of my looks, be sure to tag me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will repost them on my story or retweet it. So yeah, so that's about it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have a bunch of awesome stuff coming up. If you haven't seen my Halloween videos, make sure you go check them out. I have a bunch of awesome Halloween videos I posted this year and last year as well. Just check out all my videos, honestly. Also, I'll be having some Christmas videos coming up in the close future. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!